Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about smart money tactics. Money is such an important part of our lives, and it's crucial that we learn how to manage it effectively. Whether you're trying to save for a big purchase, pay off debt, or build wealth, these smart money tactics will help you get there. The first smart money tactic is to set financial goals. Without a clear idea of what you want to achieve, it's difficult to make progress. Take some time to think about what you want to accomplish financially, and then break those goals down into smaller, actionable steps. For example, if you want to save for a down payment on a house, figure out how much you need to save each month to reach that goal. The second smart money tactic is to create a budget. A budget is simply a plan for how you're going to spend your money. Start by tracking your expenses for a month or two, so you have a good idea of where your money is going. Then, create a budget that aligns with your financial goals. Make sure to include all of your expenses, including bills, groceries, and discretionary spending. The third smart money tactic is to pay off debt. Debt can be a huge burden, both financially and emotionally. Make a plan to pay off your debt as quickly as possible, starting with the highest interest debt first. Consider using the debt snowball or debt avalanche method to help you stay motivated and on track. The fourth smart money tactic is to save for emergencies. Life is unpredictable, and it's important to have a safety net in place. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses in an emergency fund. This will give you peace of mind knowing that you're prepared for unexpected expenses. The fifth and final smart money tactic is to invest for the future. Investing is a great way to build wealth over time. Consider opening a retirement account, such as an IRA or 401k, and contribute regularly. You can also invest in low-cost index funds or individual stocks, depending on your risk tolerance and investment goals. So those are my top 5 smart money tactics. Remember, managing your money effectively is a skill that can be learned and improved upon over time. By setting financial goals, creating a budget, paying off debt, saving for emergencies, and investing for the future, you'll be well on your way to financial success. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.